what I want to show the viewers is how easy it is to issue a mobile wallet pass directly through Unity to somebody's phone. Can you show us how to do that?
Yeah, no problem. So with the Rego Bridge, all you have to do right down here at the bottom is there's a checkbox for HID Wallet. It syncs the user with the Rego Bridge. You log in on your mobile phone, go get your SSO, single sign-on, request a badge. It's that simple. Badge is going to show up on your phone, you're going to walk up, you're going to access it.
Yeah, really that's the entire process. It's because it's connected to the organizational single sign-on for that end user site, they're logging in to HID Mobile Access as just any other business system. If you were logging into Teams or Salesforce or whatever, same username, same password, add pass to wallet, and then you're done. And that card number automatically populates into Unity.
Yeah, that card number ends up coming right back in the system. The card number I got was 4260505. It automatically comes back in. It says HID Wallet in here, so you know what it is. And then when you swipe, that's going to pop up as long as the card number in the event stream, you're good to go.
If somebody wants to learn more about this or get in contact with somebody from Motorola to set up Bridge in their environment, who do they go to?
Well, they can reach out to their local reps on the Unity Access side, or the Motorola CAMs, if they will, and just reach out and ask whatever they want. We'll get them all the information they need to how to set up Bridge.
Fantastic, and I will also leave Mike's contact information below as well as mine. If you'd like to set up a demo in your environment, just leave me a comment. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe on this video, and we'll see you on the next one.